to another Me Monday. Today I have 4 little beauty tips that you can do overnight so you can wake up beautiful tomorrow. So the first beauty tip I have that you can do overnight is using castor oil on your eyelashes and your eyebrows to grow your eyelashes and eyebrows long and strong. Number 2 is to hydrate your under eye, and all you need is rose water. And that'll keep your under eyes hydrated overnight and prevent puffiness and darkness in the morning. Number 3 is to hydrate and exfoliate your hands, because we all know in winter our hands get super dry and you want to keep those puppies hydrated. All you do is you take a bit of brown sugar and sunflower oil or any type of oil and you mix it together. Once you wash off the scrub, your hand should be pretty hydrated, purely just from the oil, but to hydrate them even more overnight, just take a little bit of your favorite moisturizer, a little more than you would normally use. Rub it all over your hands. So put your favorite moisturizer on and then gloves. Number 4 is super simple. All you do is melt a little bit of coconut oil and you massage it into your scalp. At this time of year when your scalp is dry and it's just cold, your hair grows way slower. And if you do a little bit of this like once a week, massaging into your scalp, then it will promote growth and just healthy hair growth. So I just had to let you know the way that dress fall off you is amazing. Love me, look good, a beautiful creation. I hope everyone enjoyed those 4 overnight beauty tips and you wake up feeling beautiful tomorrow. I will see you guys next time. Bye.